मुझे थोड़ी मदद चाहिए। I need some help. I need some help. तुम बहुत खास हो। You are very special. You are very special. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। I am absolutely fine. I am absolutely fine. क्या तुम मुझे पहचानते हो? Do you recognize me? Do you recognize me? मुझे उससे बात करनी है। I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. मुझे अभी घर जाना है। I have to go home now. I have to go home now. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? मैं खुद कोशिश करूँगा। I'll try myself. I'll try myself. तुम हमेशा सही होते हो। You are always right. You are always right. मुझे खाना पकाना आता है। I know how to cook. I know how to cook. क्या तुम व्यस्त हो अभी? Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? वह बहुत तेज भागता है। He runs very fast. He runs very fast. यह तुम्हारे लिए है। This is for you. This is for you. मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है। I have something to say. I have something to say. क्या तुम्हें नींद आ रही है? Are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy? तुम बहुत होशियार लगते हो। You seem very smart. You seem very smart. मैंने तुम्हें पहले देखा है। I have seen you before. I have seen you before. चलो अब बाहर चलते हैं। Let's go outside now. Let's go outside now. यह मेरी पसंदीदा किताब है। This is my favorite book. This is my favorite book. मुझे यह रंग पसंद है। I like this color. I like this color. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो। Give me some time. Give me some time. मैं अभी कुछ नहीं कह सकता। I can't say anything now. I can't say anything now. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? तुम बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो। You speak very well. You speak very well. यह काम आसान नहीं है। This task isn't easy. This task isn't easy. वह अभी तक नहीं आया। He hasn't come yet. He hasn't come yet. मुझे थोड़ा रुकना है। I need to wait a little. I need to wait a little. वह सब जानता है। He knows everything. He knows everything. मैं जल्दी लौट आऊँगा। I'll return soon. I'll return soon. यह बिल्कुल सच है। This is absolutely true. This is absolutely true. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है। I trust you. I trust you. क्या तुम डर गए थे? Were you scared? Were you scared? अब चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं। No need to worry now. No need to worry now. तुमने अच्छा काम किया। You did a good job. You did a good job. मुझे कुछ सोचने दो. Let me think a bit. Let me think a bit. अब समय बहुत कम है. Time is very short now. Time is very short now. मुझे उससे डर लगता है. I'm afraid of him. I'm afraid of him. वह मुझसे नाराज है. He is angry with me. He is angry with me. क्या तुम मेरे साथ हो? Are you with me? Are you with me? मैं अपनी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. This is my responsibility. This is my responsibility. मुझे कुछ नया सीखना है. I want to learn something new. I want to learn something new. तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? अब हम क्या करें? What do we do now? What do we do now? मुझे घर जल्दी पहुंचना है. I have to reach home early. I have to reach home early. क्या वह सच बोल रहा है? Is he telling the truth? Is he telling the truth? मैं उससे कुछ अलग हूँ. I'm different from him. I'm different from him. मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. तुम्हें मुझ पर गुस्सा क्यों है? Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me? क्या सब कुछ ठीक है? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? वह बहुत समझदार बच्चा है. He is a smart kid. He is a smart kid. मैं कुछ भूल गया हूँ. I forgot something. I forgot something. क्या यह तुम्हारा काम है? Is this your work? Is this your work? हमें कुछ समय अकेले चाहिए. We need some time alone. We need some time alone. तुम्हारा जवाब सही था. Your answer was correct. Your answer was correct. मुझे यह जगह पसंद है. I like this place. I like this place. क्या मुझे अंदर आना है? Should I come inside? Should I come inside? मुझे अब जाना होगा. I have to go now. I have to go now. मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही. I'm not getting sleep. I'm not getting sleep. चलो कुछ नया करते हैं. Let's do something new. Let's do something new. वह मुझसे झूठ बोल रहा है. He is lying to me. He is lying to me. मैं तुमसे बात नहीं कर रहा. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. उसने मेरी मदद की. He helped me. He helped me. क्या हम कहीं और जाएं? Shall we go somewhere else? Shall we go somewhere else? मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I'm always with you. I'm always with you. तुम बहुत बदल गए हो. You have changed a lot. You have changed a lot. मैंने पहले ही बता दिया. I already told you. I already told you. यह मेरी सबसे बड़ी गलती थी। This was my biggest mistake. This was my biggest mistake. तुम मेरी बात समझो। Try to understand me. Try to understand me. हमें साथ मिलकर काम करना चाहिए। We should work together. We should work together. क्या वह अभी भी वहाँ है? Is he still there? Is he still there? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए अब। I don't want anything now. I don't want anything now. चलो कुछ अच्छा सोचते हैं। Let's think something positive. Let's think something positive. वह मेरे बहुत करीब है। He is very close to me. He is very close to me. मैं अब थक चुका हूँ। I am tired now. I am tired now. क्या तुम्हें मजा आया? Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? मुझे अब कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. हम फिर कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? यह सब मेरी वजह से हुआ। It all happened because of me. It all happened because of me. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? अब सब कुछ ठीक हो गया। Everything is fine now. Everything is fine now. मुझे यह बात समझ नहीं आई। I didn't understand this. I didn't understand this. वह हर दिन देर से आता है। He comes late every day. He comes late every day. तुमने मेरी मदद क्यों की? Why did you help me? Why did you help me? मैं यहाँ पहली बार आया हूँ। I came here for the first time. I came here for the first time. तुम्हारा चेहरा कुछ कहता है। Your face says something. Your face says something. क्या मैं कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ? Can I ask something? Can I ask something? अब मैं माफ नहीं करूँगा। I won't forgive now. I won't forgive now. क्या उसने सब कुछ देख लिया? Did he see everything? Did he see everything? तुम मुझसे कुछ छुपा रहे हो। You are hiding something from me. You are hiding something from me. सब कुछ पहले जैसा नहीं रहा। Everything is not like before. Everything is not like before. अब मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone now. Leave me alone now. यह समय बहुत खास है। This moment is very special. This moment is very special. मैं उससे परेशान हो गया हूँ। I'm fed up with him. I'm fed up with him. क्या तुमने मुझे बुलाया था? Did you call me? Did you call me? मैं अब किसी पर निर्भर नहीं हूँ। I am not dependent on anyone now. I am not dependent on anyone now. अब मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं। I don't need anyone now. I don't need anyone now. तुम हमेशा मेरी ज़रूरत बनते हो। You always become my need. You always become my need. यह सब सोचकर दुख होता है। It hurts to think this. It hurts to think this. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें। एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन।